Hey, this is D Revolution. I've written 3 books, 4 screenplays, and I've recorded 3 poetry CDs. I am here to talk to you about writing. I've been studying storytelling for 30 years, and I want you to subscribe and like this video to help my algorithm go up so other people can see this video. Um, so we're going to talk about now writing your story. I run into a lot of people that want to write books. They want to talk about their life and uh, and things that has happened to them and things like that. And that's fine. It's a lot of great autobiographies out here, a lot of great memoirs out here. It's a beautiful thing. But I get the sense that most people that come to me about that, they everybody think that their life or the things that has happened to them is a little bit more victimized or special than the next person, which it may be. I'm not even challenging that because we all have to live this thing called life. But to write a book about it, uh, it's not as simple as just writing a book and talk about things that has happened to you and what you went through. When you're writing a autobiography, what is the point? You have to have a point behind it. And that's what I try to tell people, that you can write a story about your life, about yourself, and what has happened to you. But when the reader reads it, they want to be able to learn something from your lesson. They want to be able to learn, when you went through that, how did you deal with that? Or when you went through that, how did you grow from that? And when people think about writing their own stories, they think about just saying, well, this happened to me. This person did this to me. I went through this. I grew up in foster care or whatever. Now, not to sound mean when I say this, but a lot of people grew up in foster care. A lot of people got abused by their husband or wife, or been molested. I mean, it's nothing new to that. But what did you learn when you got out of foster care? What did you learn when you were molested? What did you figure out about yourself? So when the reader reads your book, what are they gonna get from your experiences? Are you just gonna say that this happened to me and that's it? You have to, so the point that I'm making is that you have to have a journey of evolution within your story. Just sitting down writing a story about what has happened to you, um, is gonna be boring, and you go find yourself writing that book. And once you get all this, because the thing about it is, once you write down everything that's happened to you, you're gonna realize now that you don't have a full book. That much didn't happen to you the way you would think when you start writing it down. But you may have learned a million lessons from this one situation that happened to you. We need to know what happened to you. We need to know how you evolved from that. Because it's going to make it a more emotional and a more attractive read when you do that. And I try to tell many people that they're like, "Oh, I'm gonna write me a book, man. If y'all just knew how my life was, if you just knew what went on in my life, you know what I'm saying?" Okay, I get it. I was kind of the same way. But when I wrote my autobiography, I literally learned a lot through my transformation and through my life. And you can buy my autobiography. I'm gonna put the link down here. Blackbooksfuzz.com. Survivor Chicago or One Chance to Be a Man. Um, but anyway, I just want to give you guys that little short lesson about just wanting to sit down and write a book. You have to have a purpose behind it. You have to have a journey. We have to learn something as we're reading your story. Because the odds are, when somebody reads your story, they know somebody else with a similar story. The thing that's going to make your story different from somebody else's story is to say how you dealt with it, how you evolved from it. I'm D-Revolution. Please like and subscribe to my page. Press the like button. Help my algorithms go up. And help others get this video. Peace.